In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or clone an issue in Jira automatically using Jira workflow automation. Let's dive into the process and see how we can set this up to streamline your workflow. First, you need to head into Jira and navigate to the settings. Once you're there, look for the automation option and then select global automation. This is where you'll be able to create a rule that works across your Jira instance. The next step is to click on create rule. This will start the process of building a new automation rule, which is essential for creating or cloning issues without manual intervention. Now, it's important to select a trigger for your rule. A trigger is an event that will initiate the cloning process. You might want to choose something like issue transition to a new status or issue created. The trigger you select will depend on when you would like the cloning to occur within your workflow. Adding conditions is the next tip I have for you, though this step is entirely optional. Conditions allow you to ensure the rule only triggers under specific circumstances. For example, you may want the rule to only activate if the issue type is a bug or if a particular user transitions the issue. These filters help you avoid clutter and ensure that cloned issues are created only when truly necessary. Now let's add the action called clone issue. This is the core of our automation as it defines what the rule will do once it is activated. After adding the clone action, you have the option to select which fields from the original issue you want to carry over to the cloned issue. This could include fields like the description, attachments, or additional custom fields that are relevant to your tasks or project tracking. Next, you need to specify the target project where the cloned issue will reside. It's crucial you determine this so that your workflow remains organized and manages all related issues effectively. Following that, choose the type of issue for the cloned version to ensure it conforms to the project requirements. To make cloned issues easily distinguishable from the originals, adding a prefix to the summary of the cloned issue can be very helpful. It ensures you can quickly identify cloned issues in any list or view. Once all these parameters are set, click on Next. This will lead you to the final step, which is to activate your rule. Simply click on Turn on Rule and there you have it. Your new automation rule is live. This and it will now automatically create or clone issues whenever the defined trigger conditions are met. This setup not only saves time but also enhances efficiency and consistency in managing tasks within your project.